Washington U.S. President Donald Trump on Tuesday criticized the federal appeals court one day after it handed him another legal setback by refusing to revive his U.S. travel ban on people from 6 Muslim-majority nations and appeared poised for the NATO and ANDAPO's top court to weigh in. On Monday, the San Francisco-based 9th U.S. Circuit Court of Appeals became the second federal appeals court to reject the Republican Trump ADMINISTRATIO and ANDAPO's bid to undo a Hawaii federal JUDG and APO's decision that blocked the temporary travel ban in a dispute headed to the U.S. Supreme Court. The 3-judge panel said TRUMP and APO's March 6 order violated existing immigration law but did not address whether it was unconstitutional discrimination against Muslims. Well, as predicted, the Ninth Circuit did it again, ruled against the travel ban at such a dangerous time in the history of our country. Trump said in a post on Twitter, apparently referencing the U.S. Supreme Court. The NATO and ANDAPO's top court, which leans conservative after TRUMP and APO's appointee won confirmation as the 9th justice earlier this year, could act as soon as this week on his ADMINISTRATIO and APO's request to reinstate the order. The Ninth Circuit, headed by Democratic appointees, largely left in place a nationwide injunction by Judge Derek Watson of Hawaii that stopped parts of the order, which Trump contends is needed to prevent terrorism in the United States. Those who have challenged the travel ban dispute that it is needed to protect Americans and argue that the order violates the USCONSTITUTIO and APO's bar against favoring or disfavoring a particular religion. Another appeals court, the Richmond, Virginia-based 4th U.S. Circuit Court of Appeals, last month upheld a Maryland JUDG and APO's ruling that also blocked TRUMP and APO's ban. Trump has been on the losing side in all 4 court rulings on the March order and has asked the U.S. Supreme Court for an emergency review. In a statement on Monday, U.S. Attorney General Sessions said TRUMP and APO's executive order was lawful and that the court rulings have had a chilling effect on security operations. Continue reading.